Good morning guys, in front of me is Lumia 630 and let me show you how to locate IMEI number on this device. So first of all, open your phone dialer. Then go to keypad and enter a secret code which is *pound or £6. And as you can see here, you've got your IMEI number. Tap on close. And you can also find IMEI via settings. So at first you have to go to app list, then select the settings, find and select about device or about phone, just about, so just tap on about, go to more information, and here, over here, you've got your IMEI number. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.